In this video, I am going to show you how to configure LB-Link blw1210m. This router will be configured as access point for MikroTik Hotspot users. Let's see. First of all, you just log in your MikroTik using this IP. I'm just showing you. Just follow me. Here you can see the IP address 192.168.116.1. Just type the web browser and hit enter. After entering, just type your admin password, which is admin, default password, then click on login. From here, just go to settings option and then go to settings and click on networks option. After that, I am just going to advanced settings. Here you can see the DHCP server. I will just disable this option. From here, disable this and then save this option. Then again type here admin password, which is default admin, and then login. After saved, just go to Wi-Fi settings. Just do it to 1 second. Then go to settings and click here the internet or wireless option. Here you can see the wireless frequency, which is 2.4G and 5G. I will give the SSID name, which will be used in Wi-Fi name M6-Wi-Fi, and just repeat this name in 5G networks also. Then save this option. After save, again I will go advanced settings. From this menu, I am just type here, click or select security mode. Here you can see I will select the none option for direct connection hotspot user. Also check the security mode. Yes, 5G networks will also has been select none. After that, just check guest zone. Here you can see guest zone will be also default. I will not change. Then go to settings and from here go to internet. No thanks. Also, I will check all settings, which as I changed already. All changed has been okay. I'm just checking the wireless name. All okay. I'm just checking the Wi-Fi name, which has been set already in my router. Here you can see the Wi-Fi name is showing here. That means your configuration has been completed. I'm just close this or sign out from here. That's it. You just plug in your MikroTik or Swiss and used and enjoy. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.